We think of ourselves as separate from nature, cordoned off in a concrete jungle of our own making, yet life finds a way. All around us, unseen, unheard by most, a hidden kingdom thrives. This is the urban jungle, where animals have adapted to our world, carving out their niches in the shadows of our cities. In this series, we will venture into this often overlooked wilderness. We will meet creatures, resourceful and resilient, who have learned not just to survive, but to flourish amidst the challenges of city life. Prepare to be surprised, to be amazed, and perhaps even to see your own urban environment with fresh eyes. For the story we are about to tell is one of adaptation, of resilience, and of the unexpected bonds that exist between humanity and the wild. We present you 7 animal species that thrive in urban areas. Number 1, the fox. Often relegated to tales whispered around campfires, foxes have found a new wilderness to conquer, the city. With their russet coats and cunning gaze, they patrol our gardens and alleyways, their presence a testament to their remarkable adaptability. Gone are the sprawling forests and rolling hills replaced by concrete and steel. Yet, the urban fox thrives. Their diet, once reliant on voles and rabbits, now encompasses the discarded bounty of our cities. From fallen fruit to takeaway scraps, they are the ultimate opportunists. And their dens? No longer hidden beneath tangled roots, but tucked away beneath garden sheds, in forgotten corners of industrial estates, even beneath the bustling heart of a roundabout. This proximity to humans has led to a fascinating evolution in behavior. Urban foxes exhibit a boldness rarely seen in their rural counterparts, seemingly unfazed by our presence. But this urban existence is not without its challenges. Traffic poses a constant threat, and territorial disputes can erupt under the cover of darkness. Yet the urban fox persists, a testament to nature's ability to adapt, to overcome, and to thrive even in the most unexpected of environments. Number 2, bats. As dusk descends and the city lights begin to twinkle, a silent army takes to the skies. These are the bats, creatures of the night, often misunderstood, yet playing a vital role in the urban ecosystem. From the diminutive pipistrelle, barely larger than a thumb, to the sleek, swift noctule, a surprising diversity of bat species call our cities home. They find refuge in churches, in the crevices of bridges, even in the eaves of our homes. Their nocturnal habits often go unnoticed, but their presence is felt. Every night they take to the skies, their echolocation calls painting a symphony of sound undetectable to our ears. And their prey? The very insects that plague our parks and gardens. A single bat can consume thousands of insects in a single night, providing a natural and invaluable pest control service. But their urban existence is not without its challenges. Artificial light can disrupt their feeding patterns, and habitat loss poses a constant threat. Yet these silent guardians of the night persist, reminding us that even in the heart of our cities, the natural world is closer than we think. Number 3, the Peregrine Falcon. High above the city streets, soaring on thermals that rise from the concrete jungle, the Peregrine Falcon reigns supreme. Once a symbol of wilderness, this magnificent raptor has made an extraordinary adaptation, trading cliffs for skyscrapers. With their piercing gaze and lightning-fast reflexes, they are perfectly equipped for urban life. The cityscape becomes their hunting ground, the pigeons and starlings their prey. Their dives are legendary, reaching speeds of over 200 miles per hour as they plummet from the sky, talons outstretched, to snatch their prey in mid-flight. These are the fastest birds on Earth, their aerial prowess unmatched. And their nests? No longer precarious ledges on sheer rock faces, but window ledges, bridge supports, even the rooftops of our tallest buildings. The peregrine's urban success story is one of resilience and adaptation. Once driven to the brink of extinction by pesticides, their numbers have rebounded, an oath to their adaptability and to the conservation efforts that have aided their recovery. Their presence in our cities is a reminder that nature can find a way, even in the most unexpected of places. Number 4, the raccoon. As it gets dark and the city began to fall asleep, a masked bandit emerges from the shadows. The raccoon, with its distinctive black mask and nimble paws, is a creature of stealth and cunning. perfectly adapted to urban life. Their nocturnal habits often bring them into close contact with humans, their inquisitive nature leading them to explore our backyards, parks, and even our homes in search of food. And food, for a raccoon, is never in short supply in the city. From overflowing bins to discarded takeaway containers, they are the ultimate opportunists. Their nimble paws able to open jars, latches, and even zippers with surprising dexterity. Their adaptability is remarkable. They build their dens in attics, under porches, even in abandoned cars, turning our urban sprawl into their own personal playground. But their presence is not always welcome. Their raids on gardens and bins can be frustrating, and their intelligence means they quickly learn to exploit any weaknesses in our defenses. Yet the raccoon remains a fascinating and resilient inhabitant of our urban jungle, a reminder that nature is never far away, even in the heart of our concrete jungles. Number 5. Pigeons. They are a common sight in cities around the world, their cooing a familiar soundtrack to urban life. The pigeon, often dismissed as a nuisance, has a long and fascinating history intertwined with our own. For centuries, pigeons have lived alongside humans, first domesticated for their meat and their ability to carry messages. Their homing instincts are legendary, capable of navigating over vast distances to find their way back to their roosts. Today, feral pigeons thrive in our cities, their adaptability allowing them to exploit the food and shelter we provide. They build their nests on ledges, in nooks and crannies, even amidst the bustling chaos of train stations and airports. Their diet is as varied as the city itself, from discarded food scraps to seeds and berries. They are a common sight in parks and squares, their presence a reminder that even in the most densely populated areas, nature finds a way. But their success comes at a cost. Their droppings can deface buildings, and their large flocks can sometimes be a nuisance. Love them or loathe them, pigeons are here to stay, a symbol of their resilience and adaptability, a permanent fixture in the urban tapestry. Number 6. Coyotes. A long, mournful howl pierces the night, echoing through the urban canyons. It is the call of the coyote, a creature often associated with wild open spaces, yet increasingly at home in our cities. Once confined to the outskirts, coyotes have begun to venture further into urban areas, their adaptability and resourcefulness allowing them to thrive in this unexpected habitat. Their diet, once reliant on rabbits and rodents, now encompasses the bounty of the city. From fruit and berries in parks to garbage and pet food left unattended, they are opportunistic feeders, able to exploit a wide range of food sources. Their ability to coexist with humans is remarkable. They are often active at dawn and dusk, avoiding direct contact with people while taking advantage of the relative quiet of these hours. But their presence in cities is not without its challenges. Conflicts with pets can occur, and their presence can spark fear and concern among residents. Understanding and coexisting with these urban pioneers is crucial. By securing garbage, keeping pets leashed, and appreciating their role in the urban ecosystem, we can learn to live alongside these adaptable creatures. Number 7. Squirrels. They are a flash of fur and a flick of a bushy tail, a blur of movement amidst the branches of our city parks and gardens. Squirrels, with their boundless energy and acrobatic grace, are a charming part of urban wildlife, from the grey squirrel with its silver-tipped coat to the smaller, more agile red squirrel. These rodents have adapted remarkably well to city life. Their days are spent foraging for food, their sharp claws and keen sense of smell allowing them to exploit urban green spaces. Nuts, seeds, fruits, and even bird feeders provide sustenance. Their antics provide endless amusement, their leaps a testament to their agility. They chase each other through the branches, their playful nature a joy to behold. They play a vital role in seed dispersal, burying nuts and acorns that help regenerate urban forests. So the next time you spot a squirrel darting through the trees, appreciate these adaptable and entertaining creatures, a reminder that even in the heart of the city, nature finds a way. What did we learn today? As we have seen, the urban jungle is teeming with life. Creatures great and small have carved out their niches in our cities, their presence a testament to the resilience of nature. Their stories are a reminder that we are not separate from the natural world, but rather a part of it. Our actions have consequences for all creatures, and it is our responsibility to create cities that can support both human and animal life. By understanding and appreciating our wild urban neighbors such as foxes, bats, falcons, raccoons, pigeons, coyotes, and squirrels, we can learn to coexist and create a more harmonious future for all. Let's leave it better than you found it. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, click subscribe to stay with us and help us leave it better than you found it.